DJT stock and is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my DJT stock analysis and price predictions. So watch this short video till the end. Trump Media and Technology stock. It's a bullish market for me for sure. But like before I gave you the details and whatnot, just for context, I'm sticking to a strategy that I've tested for 31,000 videos that has given me thousands of correct predictions. That's the result. Obviously, right now, it was something that I was kind of waiting for this second break to happen, and it actually gave me it, so that's cool. And from there point on, the price should now be going lower than 27.52. I mean, I've already talked about it, by the way. This is all demo and simulated. It's not financial advice. But with DJT, I mean, yeah, this is a good market, man. Like, I'm sticking to the data, and the data has shown that this is my strategy. You know, the reason I'm willing to take calls for the effect. So if you want to learn how to trade stocks full time in 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.